Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will share how you can fix MySQL shutdown unexpectedly error. So without wasting our time, let's get into it. Head over to your XAMPP folder and open the MySQL folder. Now make a copy of your data folder in case anything goes wrong. Open your data folder. Here, select these files by pressing the Control button. Now delete these files. Select all these files except for the ibdata1 file. And delete all the selected files. Now go back to your backup folder and copy all these files except for the ibdata1 file and paste it inside the data folder. Finally, start MySQL and it should work perfectly. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this, and I'll catch you in the next one.